Hey guys, hi! We are on day 6, número 6, here at the ranch, at the far farm. Not far farm, far ranch, far barn, okay? So, we have the plumber slash pipe fitter. I don't know what they would want to be called, but, and he's a good friend of ours. I've known him for 15 years. I cannot believe that. I just figured that out today. I met him when I was 20 years old. I am now 35. Anyways, 15 years I've known this guy, and he's just so awesome. He's sweetest guy ever. But he's doing our plumbing today, so they're over there trying to figure out where everything's gonna go. Man, I wish Shane was here. Shane, my husband, aka. So I will turn it around and see if you guys can check out what they're doing. All right. Welcome back. Hey, so today is day, and today they are going to be working on putting the rebar, I think that's how you say it, rebar, for the foundation. And the foundation will be going in on Tuesday, and today is Friday. So super excited about that. And once that's up, they said that it has to dry for at least like 7 days. And after that 7 days, that's when everything starts to pop off, honey. It's gonna go up quick. He said about 3 weeks probably. And yeah, so I will videotape that as soon as I get to my property. And you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy my videos. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. If you have any questions, ask me some questions. Alright then. Talk to ya later. See ya.